Should it be okay? Yeah. Just put the mag in.
Don't put the mag in yet.
No.
I'll fire it before. I'll fire it for you.
Yeah. Oh, look at that!
You'll love it, this.
I am. Hey, the guy said I could use that. Yeah. That's well cool.
Oh my.
Fucking lightweight. Right. I don't really know exactly what I'm doing. CQB. I am. The guy let me use the P90. That's all. We were talking about how we've not got a license yet.
That way? Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one's safety, that one? Yep.
You'll say if you just pull it towards you there. That's also.
So you want it on the other side. Right, let's go. Go on.
285 is a guess.
What thing is it on? What weights?
021.
Oh.
20s, good. See it?
Oh.
Not nothing coming through there.
No.
Shit.
Keep fire a couple off. So normally not for you.
Okay.
I didn't do anything. You gave it me.
You had one job. Your high cuts are shit.
Is it working? I'll let him cry.
Oh, it's twos.
How many's in the match?
If you want to use it.
Huh?
It's all wound up. It's a high cap. There's about 500, 450 in it. The high cap's on as reliable though.
Fucking proper get these corners now. That's what I keep saying to him, is that they give you an M4 and trying to fucking duck a corner. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh mate, I got an early birthday present. This is well cool.
Technically you can't shoot that. It was bought before the new car even came in. But it's only been used been used 3 times here. And this is the 4th time today.
Are you actually selling it?
I'll tell you, we've got a box and stuff to go for it.
How much would you sell it for?
I'm trying to figure it out.
Huh?
I'll give you mag attachments, I'll give you all the view of it. Ask Tasha first, getting married. Look, just try it first, see if it's alright.
I'm just doing this now to rub it in his face because he was pissing and moaning that his P90 didn't come. Huh? Okay. Where'd they go? Oh, they went that way, I think. I don't know. Oh, they're here. Whoa!
To be honest, that's probably brand new.
Yeah, I kind of bought something Airsoft today.
You do really, it's difficult to aim down, you've no thingy on it.
Oh, yeah.
But you put the red dots out there.
See down it though.
You can see down it.
Run, guys.
If I was wearing a full mask, it wouldn't.
Next game. End of that last one for Reactor. That was very close. Reds, you managed to get 4 locked in. Blue team managed to get all 5 euros locked in. So win to the Blues on that one. Very close game though, down to the wire. Just ran out of time. The next one, playing Domination. The game zone has closed down even further. Obviously, a lot more bodies dropped off. So essentially, we're playing just the top half. So as you came up tunnel, you probably saw anything from tunnel downwards closed off. Anything from jungle, where the tent is just outside a cave, that's closed off as well. And then Nuketown from the yellow bus down towards that bottom end is closed off as well. That means respawns. Blue team, you're going to be respawning in the center of cave. Red team, you'll be respawning in the top left corner of village, where the blue building is. I have set out some beacons for the respawns. Instead of being on the rotating strobe, they'll just be on like a slowly flashing strobe. So when you head back to respawn, just make your way back towards that direction, look for this slow flashing strobe. If you are pushing through towards the enemy team side, so if you're on the red team starting in village, just don't use the cave at all. That will just be their respawn. They'll be respawning in the center of that. Just don't bother using the cave. If you're on the blue team starting in cave, you can still go through Nuketown and village, but again, I have closed off that top left corner of village, so you can go through village, cut into district. Just don't go through that top left corner where the fire exit and the blue building is. So for this one, playing